Uy, eto na naman tayo. Luto-luto lang pag may time. So, my recipe for tonight is adobong kangkong with a twist. So, my ingredients are garlic, onions, black pepper. Of course, I always want to use the ground pork, the lean, less fat. And then, what I'll do is brown ko na siya. So, nag-brown na. And on my left, I'm cooking tokwa. I'll be putting some tokwa in it. So, this is the meat. And now, I'm putting some soy sauce. Getting ready sa kangkong. And then some pepper. Okay. You know. Okay. And then, here's my kangkong. Dami, oh. Papakain na naman ako na isang barangay ngayong gabi. So, if you're nearby, Lina, let's have a kangkong feast tonight. So, kung sa tingin nyo, masyadong maliit yung lutuan ko, pero pag naluto ito, konti na lang ito. So, we'll let it cook a little bit. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko is takpan ko siya para maluto ng konti. Pero medium flame lang ako para hindi siya mabigla. Parang ini-steam ko lang, pero lutuin ko lang ng half cook. Meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll turn off the tokwa, and then hahatiin ko na rin to. Slice ko na rin tong tokwa. There you go. Kita mo naman, ang sarap, oh. Oh. Ang kinuha ko is yung medium, para hindi magkalasoy-lasoy. So, hindi naman masyadong matigas. So, isasama ko lang yan para kangkong na may tokwa with ground pork. Yan na yung kangkong, oh, with yung giniling. I-mix ko na to, and then isasama ko na yung para mag-spread siya. Daming sahog, no? Mas marami yung pork. Pero ang nangyayari is ano yan, masarap yan mamaya. So I'll add the tokwa. Okay. And then pagsamahin ko sila. So the last one would be yung aking oyster sauce. Isasama ko sa cornstarch para lalapot siya. So, this is oyster sauce with cornstarch. Ayan. na siya. Getting thicker. In English, this is called water spinach. Or in Filipino, we call it kangkong. Yan o, dapat na yung thickness ng kanyang sauce. There you go. Tapos na. That's it.